If you need to scan and open a QR code that's in an image, meaning you can't just point your camera to it because the QR code is in a picture on your phone, there's a couple ways to do that. On some Samsung phones, if you're using the Samsung Gallery app, there's a little T letter in the bottom right corner, which you can tap and it'll scan the code and open up the link. My phone doesn't have that, so what we can do is use the Google Photos app instead. So, I'll go to Google Photos and find the photo that has the QR code. We'll open the photo here, and then you're either going to have a little lens button on the bottom of your screen, or if yours looks like my phone and does not have it on the bottom, we'll find it here behind the three dots. Just tap the dots, and then choose Google Lens. This opens the photo with the Google Lens app, and it will instantly scan the code and show me the results for it. It shows a little preview on the bottom, telling me where that link or code is going to take me, and I can tap the link here to go to that website. And that's how you open a QR code from a photo. Click that like button down there if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.